How many times do we hear an auditor or frauditor state, well, that's going to be a good lawsuit for me, I'm going to be in the money? And especially how many times do we see comments in their videos and on their live chat saying, oh, that's going to be a big win for you? Well, although the document I'm scrolling through at the moment is dated 7th of July, it has just been released on the 14th of July because it was held for 7 days. And it perhaps proves the myth to many of those claims. I am aware that many people join this genre late and may not be too aware about Leon Valley, but to date it is the largest and I would say most well-known event in the history of First Amendment auditing. And to many of us who watched the event, specifically on the day of the so-called press conference, believe the acts by the then Chief of Police, Joe Salvaggio, were egregious and quite possibly an infringement of many people's constitutional rights. It appears that the judge in the District Federal Court doesn't agree, and he has dismissed all claims against the city of Leon Valley and the majority of claims against the police officers involved in the various events. Out of all the plaintiffs, only 4 may have the opportunity of putting the matter before a jury unless the other plaintiffs appeal this judgment. David Bailey, Texas Wolfman, unless the police officers show good cause, will have his case for false arrest heard before a jury. Juan Gonzalez, a registered sex offender, likewise, if the police officers don't show good cause, will have his case for unlawful seizure heard before a jury, as will James Mead. And finally, Jonathan Green, Ohio Guardian 2.0, again, unless the police officers show good cause, will have the opportunity to go before a jury for his claim for false arrest. I do have the accompanying judge's opinion. However, unless there's major clamour within my comments, I do not intend doing a video going through the opinion, which is fairly detailed. As I said previously, where the judge has ruled against the plaintiffs, they may possibly appeal and prevail. However, I think this goes to prove that winning a federal lawsuit is no easy task, and these plaintiffs were well represented by a lawyer. Although maybe the transfer of the case from one lawyer to another may have had an effect on the chances of a successful outcome.